Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to private message on Roblox. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your Roblox application on your mobile device or on your computer device, so it doesn't matter, the steps are the same. And then you need to open person's profile you want to send message to. But if you are playing the game and you want to send message to person from this game, first of all you need to send him a friend request, and after that this person need to accept your friend request. Only after that you will be able to send him a private message. So click on any person's profile you want, for example this one, and then at the bottom of your screen you will see chat button. You need to click on that one button. After that you will see this interface, and after that you need to click on the say something button at the bottom of the screen right up here, and then you need to type message and then send button on the right side. Here it is. This is the only one way how to send private message on Roblox. And that's all, and that's how to private message on Roblox. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.